Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video, we will learn how to sort a range of numbers that is given to you in Excel. So these are different numbers that are not arranged in the ascending or descending order. So we will see how to use Excel to sort these numbers. Now the first step that you have to do is to select all the numbers that you want to sort or to arrange. Then you have to go to the Home option and click on the sort and filter button at the extreme right, which is present in the editing tab. Now in this option, when you click on this, you will see multiple options. Now the first option says sort smallest to largest. That means you will get the lowest value on the top and then at the end you will get the highest value. So when I click on this, you will see that this range, which was initially unsorted, has now become sorted in the order from lowest to the largest. So the smallest value, which is 0, has come on the top, and then we have got the largest value, which is 9, at the end. Now if we want to sort this particular range of cells again but in the descending order, then again you have to click and go to the Home tab, and in the Home tab you have to go to the editing section. In the editing section, click on sort and filter, and now you select sort largest to smallest. Now when you click on this, you will see that the original range of numbers has been changed. So now the sorting order is highest, that means the largest value, which is 9, has come on the top, and the smallest value, which is 0, has come to the bottom. So this is how you can sort different range of cells in the order that you want. But be very careful when you select this range and click sort, this original order will get changed in this place. So you will not be able to maintain the original order in which the numbers were present. They will get sorted and the sorted list will override the original range. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.